Unit 2, Lesson 4, Student Example number 1B. There's a couple different ways to go about solving when you're multiplying fractions with polynomials. You can just simply go top times top, bottom times bottom. Or, if you choose, you can reduce and then multiply. I'm going to choose to reduce and then multiply. I'm going to reduce up and down. So, if I reduce up and down, that's like taking this term on the top and dividing it by this term on the bottom, and the same thing for my other. Alright, so 3 divided by 1 is 3. X to the exponent of 0 divided by x to the exponent of 2. You just subtract those exponents, so you will go 0 minus 2 will leave you x to the negative 2. Y to the exponent of 2 divided by y to the exponent of 1. You would just subtract those exponents, giving you 2 minus 1, which just gives you 1. And we don't need to write a 1. Z to the exponent of 4 divided by z to the exponent of 2. So that would be 4 minus 2, which would give me an exponent of 2. I am done with that term. I'm going to move on to my second. 2 divided by 1 is 2. There is no x term on the bottom, so I can just rewrite x to the exponent of 4 because there's nothing to subtract it by. There is no y term on the bottom, so I can just rewrite y again. Now, here's where the zero exponent law comes in. Anything to the exponent of 0 is 1. I didn't need to write that 1 because anything divided by 1 is just itself, but it's nice to see it just so you know where you're at. Okay? Now I can combine. Now I'm multiplying. So 3 times 2 is 6. X to the exponent of negative 2 times x to the exponent of 4. Remember, I add the exponents now. So negative 2 plus 4 would give me 2. Y to the exponent of 1 and y to the exponent of 1. I add the exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. And z has no partner in the other term, so I can just rewrite it. There is a 1 on the bottom, but like I said, anything divided by 1 is just itself. So this is very sufficient for your final answer.